secret bonus lessons. Are you ready? Okay, so what we're gonna design is some butt apparel for the butt store, because we want to make the butt store, because everybody wants to go to the butt store. So the first one we're gonna do is a keychain. So let's design that butt keychain. Let's get to it. All right, now that we're in Tinkercad, we are gonna start designing our butts. We're gonna design the butts for the butt store. And so let's get started. And we're gonna come to the right side in our basic shapes, and we're gonna use the paraboloid. The paraboloid. Yeah, the paraboloid. That's what we're gonna use. So that's gonna be the first butt cheek. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come and we're gonna drop this top button down to about 6 millimeters, maybe 7. And we're gonna pull this side in to 13. And we're gonna make it 19 millimeters. So we'll try to get it in that basic shape, that basic size. So you'll see that's gonna be a big butt, huge butt. So we're gonna make it smaller butt, regular person butt. So we're gonna make a regular person butt here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the copy paste. So I'm gonna go Command C and then Command V. When I press Command V, you'll see, ta-da, there's another one. So that copies and pastes it. So now we've got 2 butt cheeks. So there's our butt cheeks. Well, it almost looks like a butt already. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna then copy that one again, and we're gonna move this one up top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this one a little bit wider. So we'll pull it over 2 millimeters this way to 15, and 2 millimeters this way to 17. And then we're gonna make it a little bit shorter. And then, oh, you can see it kind of looks like a butt. So we're gonna move it in a little bit just to make it a little more pronounced butt. So look at that, our butt keychain. But we need a hole for our butt keychain. So in order to get a hole, what we gotta do is we gotta insert a cylinder. So we'll just place the cylinder in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make it small. We're gonna make it like 6 millimeters by 6 millimeters. So you can drag it in like that. So, ta-da! And we're gonna drag it. We're gonna come to the above it. We're gonna try to move this. Whoops, wrong way in. So we're gonna try to move the cylinder, because this is gonna be our hole for our keychain. So we'll move this in a little bit until we're happy with it. We'll come to the top view, make sure we want it pretty centered. There we go. Ta-da! Okay. All right, so now what we gotta do is we gotta click on our cylinder and we gotta turn it from a colored object to a hole. So when we do that, we're gonna just pull it down and through that object so it goes right through. It's not an object, it's not any object, it's our butt keychain. So we're gonna select everything and we're gonna group them. When we group them, it should create a hole. And so once you got it grouped like that, it'll take a minute to save. While it's saving, it's gonna cut the hole. So it might take a little longer than my computer. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but there it is, your butt keychain. That's your first butt product. But we gotta have more than one product, right? So let's get into the next lesson. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a butt cufflink. So then you'll have 2 products at the butt store. All right. Imagine that, a 3D printed butt.